Okay, let's talk about AMD. We know that the semis has been on fire. And let's just look at AMD. I wasn't bullish on it a couple of weeks ago because it just wasn't advancing like the other semiconductors, but now it seems to be doing that catch-up play and damn near taking a lead. So I already got some lines drawn here. Let's take a look at them. This is right here is major resistance. We're not there yet, but I think this is where AMD goes to before it kind of takes a break. It's taking a little, oh, it's up the 37 cents today, but it's taking a little break, but that's good. But I think when it goes up there, then we'll have a new discussion. So here's the downtrend line, right? And this is what gets me more excited about AMD and all the semis, all the chip stocks. They broke out, right? It's been going down for over a year. And finally, it broke out, and then now over here from October, this is the new uptrend, right? So we had the downtrend. This thing has been trending up ever since October, right? So that's a good thing. And now look where it's actually accelerating off that trend line and kind of getting a little ahead of itself, but that's okay. We got nice emotion, big green body bar right here along with volume, and this is the only thing I'm not necessarily liking, that the stochastic is kind of showing, it's kind of trying to pull back a little bit and kind of showing that it's overbought. But I actually think it just goes sideways because this is okay. A stock could be overbought for a long period of time, right? We just don't want to see it kind of start to go down like that. Then it's kind of like, it's just kind of a little weak. But I think it actually holds here and then makes its move up to this major resistance point. This area is major, right? Right here, lots of memory here. It's not even that that long ago. Right here's a little overshoot, and then here, you know, kind of comes away from it. But this is the area, and what is that? Let's just call it, it's 96. I'm gonna call it $100. I like rounding my supports resistance off to that major number if it's sitting right there, $100, you know. But I think AMD takes a little breather and then actually makes this move towards $100. Man, it's 81 right now. There's some meat on the bone right here, right? So if you take it from here and go up to that's a 20% move. I'll take it. Let's go to the monthly. Look at the monthly real quick. And this is what I don't like. I don't like that bar. I don't like that bar on the monthly, but that's good. You know why? Because the month, it's only February 13th. It's just mid-month. I don't think, if we would have closed there, I'd be like, that's not good. That's not good, but it's mid-month, so it is good. It's okay. And let me just draw one more line. I'm going to bring it back to the weekly because I meant to draw that in the beginning of the video, but here, I'm going to draw it right now. There's your major area of support now. It was resistance, it broke through. So prior resistance now becomes support. So if we do come lower, I don't think we go lower than 70. So between 80 and 70, where it sits now, 80 down to 70, you can be scooping this up. And then look at that, this area. So it's just major. We got the bounce off the uptrend line if it were to get here, and the major support area. So if it were to get down here, I really think it's all aboard for AMD. If it were to touch this area, I'm not sure it's gonna do it, but if it does, and you're feeling like, oh man, the stock is going down, no, it's just becoming a better buying opportunity to start to take off. Now, if it were to go below that, we got another discussion. We got another video to make. All right, so let's go back to the monthly and you can see what's happening here. Look at the stochastic. This is one of the reasons why I was like, it's just not ready yet, but I think it's gonna be ready. We're not worried about this candle right here yet because it's mid-month, and I think we just now getting started to make the move. So the move that you missed already, you didn't really miss it. It's still early. You can still jump on board and get on this semi train and run that AMD. Just think, if you get in now, you're getting in prices from July 1st, 2020, right? So AMD, I like it. And if you like this, you gotta subscribe and hit that bell. I want you to hit that bell because I go live. And I go live sporadically, and then that's the way you can kind of get on and tell me what stock you want me to talk about, and I'll talk about it live. So hit that bell, subscribe, and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like. Dre, I'm out.